Good morning, everyone. It has been a while. Every time I go on a trip, I just kind of want to vlog it, just for memory's sake. This probably isn't me making a comeback to YouTube, but whatever. Excuse the mess in the background. This is our spare room. We're going to be moving in the next few months, so just ignore any of the mess in the back. It's kind of always been like that anyway. But this is kind of where I do my makeup as well. So this is where I put my little vanity that used to be in my room, but my big desk is in my room now. I might do a little reintroduction because it has been so long, and just in case anyone new stumbles upon this. Hi, my name is Kira. I'm currently 25 years old. I used to make YouTube videos years ago, but then I stopped because I got a real job, so, which I pretty much enjoy. I'm just getting ready now for going to the airport. Our flight is fairly late in the day. I forgot to say where we're going. We're going to Edinburgh. It's me and Kyle. Kyle is my boyfriend. We've been together about a year and a half and we met through work. So you'll probably see him in this vlog, or if I do daily ones, I don't know. I don't think I'll get enough content to film a whole day's worth into like 10 minutes. I'm just kind of in that mood now to like make content. Also, excuse the quality. I'm using my phone because I haven't used my camera in so long. The battery is absolutely dead. So that's currently charging, but I will be bringing my camera with me. But we're going to Edinburgh for 4 days, Sunday to Wednesday. It's kind of like our Valentine's trip because we didn't know if we would have Valentine's off. We actually did have it off. It was in both of our contracts to be off the Friday. We don't have any huge plans for Edinburgh and what to do and stuff. I have a few things written down. Of course, shopping is on the agenda because I love shopping. It's not a holiday without shopping. The hotel we're staying at is the Virgin Hotel. If you know Virgin Airlines, it's owned by the same person. It's a 5-star, which we got for a pretty good price, and we were just like, we'll go a bit all out for our Valentine's trip. Yesterday was Valentine's Day, so I just thought I'd show you the flowers that Kyle got me. They're so pretty. And they smell really good. We have just arrived. Here's Kaya. If I'm putting this on YouTube, you've actually never been on my YouTube.
Actually, no.
Room tour. The lighting is so harsh right now. Walk in. Kyle is there. Get robes. It's like a sink here. The toilet is in here. It's separate. It's a vanity area that I am going to be using. Oh my god, light comes on and all. This is unreal. This is the shower. This is the bed. There's a couch. Where do we turn the light on for here? It's the TV. There's a huge like bar cart. And this is just full of drink and snacks.
Which we will not take.
No, we won't. There's more snacks here. So much. Now, let's see. Do we have a view? I don't think we do. There's a little bit of a view of something there. But it's mostly a brick wall, which you can't see. So I think we're going to freshen up and head out for dinner somewhere. Not sure where, but there seems to be a good few. Taco Bell, if we're stuck, because we saw it and I really want to try it, so we'll see. Look how pretty this is. It's so cool. The lighting is so nice in here.
Yeah, it is.
entrance in our hotel. How cute. This is the lift. Oh, that lighting was horrible.
I look gorgeous in the mirror.
This is an insanely beautiful hotel.
We'd love to have a room where
I know, I don't mind to have one of those rooms either. Look at the ceiling. It's beautiful. The bathroom was really comfy. Really comfy. Gonna have a shower. Super excited. And we're gonna order warm chocolate brownies
and drink.
with ice cream. Kyle's gonna get a drink. Love that the light comes on automatically. Right. Oh, and I love the buttons are literally right here in the door, so I don't have to get wet turning it on. Oh my god. Ah! It's like a rainfall.